Erik Crawford here with UltraPure Systems. Recently we added a very useful and friendly application or an extension to the query code app that we have used for years with all of the RODI units that allows customers and end users to be able to record filter parameters, and they're able to see videos, and they could order filters. But most importantly, what we found it to be very useful for is that the folks that are responsible for the RODI unit or the ultrasonic humidification or the process to confirm water quality is there, an email will be generated to those folks on file when filters are exhausted. And that's probably the most useful tool that we have found that has been very nice with this application. However, this extension that we have added, we've started thinking about. We always think outside the box. We always try to innovate really simple, cool things that make daily life easier and less frustrating. Well, we added the frequently asked questions, or referred to as FAQ app. And what it's going to do is, if you have any questions pertaining to the RODI units or even the ultrasonic humidification units, instead of having to read through the IOM manual, which are sometimes cumbersome, you can simply open up this application and push FAQ and just type your question in it. It's a query code search. Most questions and answers are in there. We've gone through it with 3 to 5 years of experience working with this equipment, and we've put all of our heads together and we've asked ourselves, what are the most common questions that we get asked? And from the manufacturer level, we put the answers in them, which has turned out to be really, really nice. So without any delay, let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to need is your phone. If you have an iPhone, great. Just open up your camera, and it's as simple as just hovering the camera over it. You don't need to take a picture of it, just hover it over the query code. If you have an Android, that's okay too. You'll just need to download an Android app for a query code, and at that point you'll do the same thing. So let's do that. So you'll just hover that over it, and a website is going to be populated. From there, I'm going to go onto the computer, and while that's loading, we'll jump onto the computer and I'll show you exactly what's inside of this. The specific job site that you have, model and serial number of all the equipment will be listed along with pictures. And again, this URL is specific to the job, so this isn't just a general URL or website. So once you're in it, if you have an RODI, the scan QR code is where you would enter your RODI readings. However, for this video, the search FAQs are what I'm most interested in. So if you push search FAQs, there's a long list of questions and answers. However, going back to what I mentioned a little earlier, let's say the BMS is a real popular feature in these humidifiers, that you're able to control these at a BMS level very easily. And with that, you just push it, and it'll show you exactly how to program that. It's very simple to do. You press program on the terminal and so forth. If you find it easier to watch a video, you can just click watch a video, and that will open up the video right away. If the RODI unit or the humidifier has an alarm, and on the terminal it identifies the alarm, which it will. It'll tell you with letters what the alarm is. Without having to go into the IOM manual or call technical support, you can just put the alarm. A water alarm is low water, EL. So if you push EL, it's going to open up what the book would recommend as a fix and a definition. And then what we've done, we've gone one step above that, and we've put real time from an experience of a mechanical company or folks that are working on it. What have we found most common to be the reason of such alarm? And hopefully that will help. Between the two of them, we are confident that this alarm will be remedied in short time. Most alarms have a video as well, so there's another avenue for you to get your answer. So if you get out of that, the couple of the things we've got on here are we could view videos. We have a lot of videos that have been really useful, that sometimes instead of reading, just watch the video, and kind of like a picture speaks 1,000 words, a video is even better. So there's those. And if you'd like to order, or if you'd like to open up a support ticket to get some dialogue of what has been going on with this humidifier, you could always type that in. You could add pictures. Those go into your archive of this portal, so you're always able to go back and reflect what has happened last year, which is a really nice feature. And then we've added this recently. Our developer really zeroed this in on ordering filters. If let's say you have a RODI 150, it's going to open up the specific filters to a RODI 150. So you wouldn't have to go to our website, and it's just as easy on our website, but one less step is you could just add the filters you would like and hit submit. You don't have to pay for the filters right now. Really all we're starting is just a dialogue that we need filters, and we will call you and get back with you to either get payment or delivery information and get those filters out to you. So just one more easy way before you walk away from the unit that there's a dialogue that has been made to get these filters ordered. So, and that's about it. If hopefully you found this to be a useful tool if you end up using it. There's no licensing fees behind this. There's not really anything proprietary other than this is your site with your information on it, and you're able to get from an Excel document. We're able to export everything that has happened in the past with this with these systems. So hopefully this helped, and have a great day. Thanks.